after spiking higher on Monday and it getting within 4 pips of the January high. The dollar versus Swiss has been moving steadily to the downside. Yesterday, price fell below both the 100 and 200-hour moving averages, testing the 61.8% retracement of the move up from last week's low. Today, that momentum has continued to the downside. I'll talk about it in this video from a technical perspective, so let's get started. This is a January high. This is a February high. Got within 4 pips of that level at 0.9203 and rotated back to the downside in Monday's trade off of that volatility from the tariff news. They move lower, came down to test its 100-hour moving average, found support buyers. But yesterday we fell below the 100s, fell below the 200, fell below the 50% of this move up from the January 24th low to the high price that we saw just on Monday. And that opened the door for further selling, which came down toward the 61.8% retrace from where the market traded above and below into the close. In early Asian session, the market consolidated the declines before moving down in the early European session, taking the price below this swing level right through here, where we had a swing high right here, swing low right here, which base and push higher. We did break below that level here, but then reestablish support here before again moving to the upside. And here we fell below the level after trying to stall there, tried to stay below that level, but again moved higher through there. So we fell below that level and came down to this swing area through here, where you can see the number of different swing lows and swing highs coming in between. Let's call it 0.90 up to 0.9015. That's this area right through here. And we've seen a modest bounce to the upside, taking the price back above that 0.90217. So what next? This is going to be the next target that the price needs to get to and through. The 0.90217 is a modest corrective or a consolidation area as well. We may also put a horizontal line cutting across at the low price that we saw right here before moving to the upside, starting this move further to the upside. The level comes in at 0.90314. As you can see, the price is kind of hanging around that level at the highs and trading here today. We moved a little bit above that level, but unable to move above it. Keeps the sellers probably more in control with that level as a close resistance level. Let's do that. If we can stay below that level, the bias remains more to the downside. If we start to move above, we could see rotation back up toward the 61.8% retracement area, which kind of consolidate the declines in trading yesterday and coming into today. So that's my look at the dollar versus Swiss to start your trading day from a technical perspective. Sellers obviously in more control. However, there's some support that seems to be stalling the fall, at least for now. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.